Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I have some really cool nail tips for you. These have a built-in apex in the nail. They're called Tipex. I think 5 Angels must be like the company. I cannot wait to show these to you guys and put them on and see how they look. Let's just go ahead and jump right in because they just look so cool. I can't wait to show you. This is what comes in the box. So you get all your tips. So you got 12 different sizes, and then you get your nail gel glue and your instructions. This kit that I have is currently for sale on Amazon for $22.50. And then there's another set that you can get. It comes with like a little nail lamp, you know, like the little desk lamps, a base coat, and this. And you get 120 nails for $21.99. So, funny enough, this company reached out to me to ask me if I wanted to work with them. And I responded, and then they just never got back to me. So I went ahead and bought these tips myself off of Amazon because they just looked really freaking cool. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this top layer off, and the pinkies, and I don't know, like if you set them on their side, the pinkies just go everywhere. I've given up trying to like wrangle them and put them back in place because it's kind of annoying, but whatevs. I don't know if these guys are pinkies, but anywho, doesn't matter. Let me just grab like a thumb so I can show you guys. It is a sculpted nail, so it obviously has like a higher arch inside of the nail. But let me move this out of the way and show you. It almost has like, I don't know if you can see where there is this like bubble on top of the nail. So that's your built-in apex. So literally they're saying you can slap these babies on. You don't need to reinforce them with anything. You go, you put your gel coat on and go about your day. They are very strong. They are a little thicker in the back than a normal nail. There ain't no bend test going on. You cannot bend these guys. Like they, like a, how do I explain it? If you look at it, you can almost see it sort of has this like magnifier, you know, but like turned the wrong way. It has like a magnifying effect on the nail. That's from the apex. It almost looks hollow, but I don't think it is. It's very strange. Sorry, that's a cat hair. My cat is like running around right now in my room. It's like I have not seen anybody do this before. Like, why has no other nail company thought of this? I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my sizes because I want to get these babies on so bad. I can't wait to try out this glue too. Let me see if I can get her out of the thing. And I'm pretty sure my cat wants to get out of this room right now. I wish it had a little bit of like a thinner tip on it so you could actually control the gel that's going in the nail, but hopefully that doesn't matter. It pretty much looks like any other sort of like nail glue gel. I love these because it keeps the nail in place. So like I said, I'm gonna pick out my sizes and then we're gonna get to applying these bad boys. So I went ahead and I picked out my sizes, and before I buff these, they fit. Like the fit of them is so good on my nail. Like my God, it looks amazing on my nail. It just, the shape and everything just looks amazing. There's more cat hair. Oh my God. Like the shape of them is just really, really good. I'm thinking about possibly doing a peel off base coat. I don't know. I might use these guys for vacation. These look great. They look like, let me show you. Like this looks like a straight up like sculpted acrylic nail. It's crazy how good this looks. Like that just looks so unreal. Let me try to get my hand to turn sideways for you. Like it looks like a sculpted acrylic nail when you put it on. And there, I know it seems like there's a lot of space between the nail and your natural nail, but there's not. Like my nail is touching the underside of here. You understand what I'm saying? Like there's not a big gap between your nail and the actual, like this, I don't know, I mean, if you can really see, but that whole thing is touching my nail as I push it back. You can see the pressure that's on my nail. Like that is insane. I don't know how they did it, but it's so cool. All right, anyways, I'm gonna stop hyping them up and let's get them on. I'm gonna go ahead and like buff the inside, but I'll come back when that's done. Next, it said to put some base coat on. I don't have base coat from them. I'm just gonna use one that was in my drawer, which is a Model 1's one real quick. So little base coat. It didn't mention anything about like dehydrator or primer. I just went ahead and wiped my nails with some alcohol. Sir, why do I have fuzzies? Where is that? Where are they coming from? It's like attack of the cat hair and the fuzz. All right, anyways, let me do this and then it will be time to apply. Now it's time to apply. I'm gonna start with my thumb just because I feel like that's the easiest for you guys to see and for me to apply. So I just have my little donut lamp, whatever like small lamp you have that's easy for you to use. I used to use my big one. I used to just like flip it on its side and use it that way, but whatever you have, get that set up and ready to go. Before I even put the gel in, I turn on the light and then I put the gel into the nail, and this is thick, honey. Ooh, that might be too much, but oh, it's a little heart for Valentine's Day. Okay. Anyways, wow, she is a thick gel. Okay, so I want to start from the back of my nail and I'm going to push it forward, evenly distributing the gel. So slowly going down, trying to get that corner, and then I'm going to put it under here. Okay, and I'm going to do so you guys can see. There's a little bit coming out the front, but really, like, you could just take your hand off. I mean, that stuff was thick, honey. Now, before this fully cures, I do like to go in and remove that excess gel. Now I know not to put so much. So I'm just gonna take like a dotting tool that I have over here, move that out of the way, turn her off real quick, and then I'll fully cure it in a second. But I just want to show you, I just kind of go in with something like pointy and I try to remove any of this gel that's in there so it doesn't end up cured on my skin. I mean, oh my god, like it's on there already, and that was under that lamp for like 10 seconds. I am just gonna go ahead and finish curing it off camera, but that was quite an experience. I'll do one more when I come back, just so we can see it again, and I'll try to use less gel. All right, let's go for the index finger. She's kind of a trouble finger just because she's a little crooked, but that's okay. And I'm gonna squirt way less of gel in here this time around, just like one little teeny blob, and let's see how that works. Again, bringing it back by the cuticle and just slowly pushing down so that it evenly distributes that gel. Okay, and then I'm going to bring it over to the lamp and cure. Okay, guys, I mean, it's looking great. I'm going to take my finger off and see how that works. Oh no, I got a hair. God dang it, there's a cat hair in there. But, I mean, I would gander to say that you really don't need to hold it down at all because that gel is super thick. I did miss, like, it didn't go all the way to the tip of my fingernail, but that's okay. That's all right. All right, I'm going to do the rest off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys what they look like. I mean, they look amazing. Like, look at that shape, honey. Look at that shape, that C curve. I mean, she just looks beautiful. They're like the perfect apex, just perfectly shaped. I know this one looks stupid because I didn't move the gel, but like the funny thing is it looks like there's like a huge gap, but it's not. Like the nail is like flush to my fingernail. That's so crazy. I could theoretically go in here and like squirt some more gel in, but like I don't need to do all that, honey. These are gonna come off in a couple days anyways. So, all right, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like all finished. And then I'm gonna do like a super simple nail look. Like, I'll show you one nail. They're all gonna be the same when I'm done, because I want to see how it feels with just like a layer of gel polish on there. These are really, really beautiful nails. Honestly, these are probably the best tips that I have ever seen. Look, like, just look at that apex. Like, it is just so beautiful. Like, I bet with gel polish, like, this would look like a beautiful sculpted acrylic nail, and no one would know the difference. Like, who's gonna know? They're not gonna know. But for real though, like, they are really pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just buff the top of them, And then I'm going to apply the base color, and next week I'll show you guys like the finished nail look, because you know, it's a little more it's not like a super easy nail look that I'm doing, but at least with the like base color we can see what it looks like with just like a coat of gel polish on it. So I am gonna go and buff, and then we'll paint these babies up and I'll show you what they look like. Hey. Okay, so I promised you guys I was gonna show you the base color, and it's this beautiful jelly nude from Born Pretty, and it's got like glitter sparkles in it. So I'm probably, I don't know, maybe I'll end up doing like 1 to 2 coats depending on the like opacity that I can get, but it's a really pretty color. It's got like gold flecks in it, so it will be perfect for the nail look that I am looking to do. I'm looking for like I don't know, like a purple on purple Valentine's Day look, right? I love to be like out of the norm, and I'm not a big like pink girly, but I love lavender and purple, so that's what I'm gonna be working on. And of course it's focused on the top of the nail. It always does that. It focuses on the top or basically like the brush of the gel polish. Okay, she is pretty. Yeah, definitely gonna need 2 coats for the opacity that I'm looking for, but very pretty color. I don't know if you can see like the gold glitter in here or not. It's almost like a reddish gold, to be honest with you. Like, looks like there is some red and some gold, but I'm gonna have like gold accents, so it works. It works perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 coats of this on all the nails, and then I will show you how they look all finished. But I mean, they are like, it already looks really beautiful with 1 coat. So I will be back with my final thoughts, but I think you guys can gauge my opinion already. All I can say is, to all you other nail tip companies out there, you need to step up your mother effing game, because these just changed the game for at-home nail application. Or even, like, I know some people get like gel tips at nail salons. This looks like a sculpted acrylic nail set. They are absolutely beautiful. Hands down, these are the best nail tips that I own and probably will own unless someone else comes out with the same damn thing. These are stunning. I know this color doesn't really quite match my skin tone, and please don't mind the fact that I have like nail glue on my skin. I was removing these nails from my other hand earlier, and I used the stuff that basically like melts the nail glue to get them off, but it was like melting the nails. But anywho, back to these ones. They're gorgeous. They're beautiful. They look stunning. Stunning. No one can beat this right now. I'm sorry. I don't think any other company out there is doing this. And why they didn't think of this beats the hell out of me, because you could have flat or curved nails and still wear these nails. They're not like ultra sculpted on the inside. They're sculpted on the outside. You understand? Like, oh my god. They're brilliant. They're brilliant. I would hands down like buy these again. I mean, I'm not gonna need to because I got 500 tips here, but hands down, I'm obsessed. I love this little kit that you can get again. And on here it says elevate your nail game. Like, first of all, that's such a cute play on words, because like elevate like your anyways, I'm so stupid. But whatever. Okay, stay tuned next week, because I'm gonna be completing this little Valentine's / vacation nail look, because I don't think I'm gonna have time to do my nails for vacation if I do another nail set next week. So it's gonna be Valentine's inspired, but also like a vacation set. I'm thinking purple on purple is like where I'm going with it. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned next week and watch that. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. If you like videos like this and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.